just funded this $1 and I intend to take it to something reasonable. I'm going to be trading these two pairs, Euro USD and USD JPY. I have taken my first trade on USD JPY. You can see I kind of made a mistake before. I used 0.02, so I closed out. So now I am in on this trade. So my SL is just around $1 and I'm targeting somewhere around this week rejection. So that's 1:3. So I want to take this to $5. So that's basically my target. Trade update. It's currently 10 p.m. So basically the trade played out very early. Let me turn on my chart trade history. You can see under the history here we have hit the first target, which is $5. And if I check here, you can see it basically happened around 2 p.m. So I was busy, so I couldn't check it, but I set my take profit order, so it got smashed. And if I check the time here, you can see it's 2:10. That was when the TP hit. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to update you guys. Trade update. So this is day 2 of the challenge, and I'm currently in on a trade on USD JPY, and yeah, my SL will be at this top right here, and I'm going to target all the way down here for my take profit. So let's watch how this plays out. Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. So let me show you guys the setup on MT5. On TradingView. So here's the setup. So I'm anticipating price to drop further. Yeah, so I'll update you guys. This is day 2 of holding this trade right now. So I checked and I realized that the trade has actually hit my TP, but it didn't get triggered. That is crazy. That is basically spread from the broker. That's what happened right here. If not, it should have been triggered, and that's $20. But currently it has dropped back, and I'm in $14 in profit. So what I'm looking for right now is price to drop further to my take profit, or I might close out just around this point. So I'm going to update you guys, so you can still see it's still the same trade, still the same balance and everything. Trade update. This is day 3 of holding this trade, and apparently the market is closed. Today is December 25th, which is Christmas Day. So yesterday I was just watching price consolidate over and over. I just kept on going up and going down like that. So I was contemplating just closing altogether, but then the price still shows a bearish structure. So I was expecting price to drop further. So tomorrow, which is Friday, what I'm anticipating is the market open just kept on, you already got to the downside, so I'm anticipating price to drop. Trade update. So today is Friday, the last trading day of the week. So the trade ended up hitting my break even. Let me show you guys in the history. As you can see, it hit break even, and I'm now on another setup, and it's currently playing out fine. So I'm targeting all the way to this high right here. That's where I'm going to take my profit. So yeah, let's watch how this plays out too. I'm currently up like that's 1:1, 15 pips. So let's watch how this plays out. See, this was the first trade. This was basically the first trade. It's TP. The second trade actually ended up eating SL, break even. And this third trade apparently has hit break even again. So what happened was I have been holding this trade since like around 7 a.m. and it's currently 3:30 p.m. So I added another position at this tip, and as you can see, it price immediately dropped, and as soon as I saw this pattern, I knew it's time to exit because that's a clear break of structure. So I'm anticipating in downpour, and today is Friday, so I'm going to be closing the challenge here. So if you guys want me to try this one more time, I want you to like this video and drop one more trial on the comment section. So I'm going to try one more time. And also, if you want to use the broker I'm using, as you can see, the spread is pretty tight. So I'm going to drop the link in the description box below so you can try it for yourself. Also, let me show you guys the trade history just to be transparent. Last week, you can see this was when I funded the $1, and this was the first trade that I closed, and this was the first trade that actually hit TP, and then this was the one that hit break even. Then today, this is the two trades I took today. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.